Let's make some delicious Cuban Picadillo. Let's start by cooking our ground beef on medium-high heat. Add olive oil and ground beef and begin browning. While meat is browning, let's work on our fresh sofrito. Let's dice 1 large white onion, 1 large red bell pepper, 1 large green bell pepper, and thinly slice 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. Set fresh sofrito aside for later. Moving back to our ground beef, let's heavy salt and pepper our meat and allow it to continue to cook down. Next, grab 1 large russet potato, peel and cut into 1-inch cubes and place in cold water to prevent browning and remove excess starch. After meat is 90% cooked through, remove from pot and save the renderings. Once meat is removed, add more olive oil and let's cook down our fresh sofrito. Let's add our green peppers, red peppers, onions, and fresh garlic. Continuing on medium-high heat, let's sweat down our sofrito, stirring occasionally. Next, let's add our dried herbs, starting with garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, sofrito, and give a good mix. As always, a list of the exact ingredient amounts can be found in the description. Now we can add back our ground beef and give a good mix. Next, we'll add our dry white wine. Add 1 packet of sazon. Add more salt and pepper and a 2nd pack of sazon. Now for our liquid, add 1 cup of chicken stock and 1 cup of beef reserve. Next we'll add our tomato sauce, olives, raisins, olive brine, and give a good mix. Followed by a 2nd cup of tomato sauce. After mixing, add in our bay leaves. Next we simmer our picadillo on medium-low heat, allowing the picadillo to thicken. Once the picadillo sauce has reduced by 1/3, add in the potatoes. This is the best time to add the potatoes. If you add them in too early, they'll turn to mush. Stir in the potatoes and allow the picadillo to reduce and thicken some more. Stir occasionally, making sure the bottom doesn't burn. Once the potatoes are fork tender and the sauce is reduced by more than half, the picadillo is done. Now all that's left is to serve over white rice and enjoy your delicious Cuban Picadillo.